Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, today is December 26th, 2019, and I wanted to give an update on how my Moringa tree seedlings are doing here. And you can see here, they're just starting to get their true leaves here. And now this one here, I want to show you is something happened to the top of this one. And I decided to just let it go to see what it would do. And it is bringing another plant off of the main plant here. And we've seen where I live in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, and we have dust and chestnut trees. And we've seen where the deer have just completely destroyed the trees, and they did bring off other branches from the bottom. So I wasn't exactly sure what this one here was going to do, but it did bring another branch off the bottom here, which I'm really happy about. And we've also seen maple trees bring off side branches, and a lot of other trees do that too. So you can see this one here, and I got another one over here. Now it's time to start feeding these because they have their true leaves coming out. So how I'm going to feed these is I'm going to use a product called Sea Magic. It's an organic product. I'll have a link down in the description for it. And I'm going to feed them every 2 weeks with that mixture. Now, what you do with that mixture is you take the dry pack and you mix it with your water, and then that's your concentrate. And then you take a half a cup of the concentrate and you mix it with 2 gallons of water. And you feed them. You can feed them every 2 to 3 weeks. I'm going to feed mine every 2 weeks. And that's going to help them to grow along. And as they grow, then I will give them some slow release organic plant foods, like the Eco Scraps 555 all-purpose plant food. I'll give them that. But being right now that they're in these little containers, I don't want to burn the roots on them. So I'm going to do the Sea Magic with them. It seems to work very well with plants and stuff. You just don't want to overfeed them with the Sea Magic. Like, just make sure that you're feeding them every 2 weeks. I had forgotten one time and fed something once a week with the Sea Magic, and it didn't have a good effect on it. So just every 2 to 3 weeks, I'm going to feed them with the Sea Magic. And make sure that your soil is nice and moist before you feed your plants so you don't burn the root systems on them. And let me see here. You can see the roots are at the bottom here. And now these still are on the heated floor because we had some really cold nights. And I just wanted them to stay on the heated floor because they are a tropical plant. They're not like frost hardy or anything like that, so I just wanted to make sure that they got the heat that they needed. So that's why I kept them on the floor. Now all of these did germinate for me but one. Now I am still waiting for that one to germinate. It could be, you know, it might not have got the temperature that I needed to germinate. It could have been a little slower to germinate. I'm not exactly sure yet, and I don't really want to dig around in the container yet. I want to let it go and just see, you know, if it's just going to come up a little bit later. So I wanted to give you that quick update on that one there. And I am doing a playlist for the Moringa tree for how to start it from seed. It's going to have all the growing updates in it, and you can check that out on my channel. So when these are ready to be transplanted and as they continue to grow, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!